Wow, that's a lot of snow today.
Good morning. It's freezing.
Let's warm up by helping the city.
Oh no, the roads are blocked.
We need to clear the road fast. Team Snow Rescue, go! Let's open up this lane.
Crosswalk has to be safe first.
Okay, driver, slowly press the gas. Right lane clear.
Walk slowly. It's not slippery now.
This should help you move. Great job. Keep straight.
This one's really stuck, but I can do it. I can do it.
Only one lane at a time, everyone.
Thank you for waiting. Keep driving safely.
All clean. You are good to go. No ice here. Safe.
It's looking good.
All lanes are open now.
Ow, come here. I'll help you across.
Roads clear. No more blocks. Clean, safe, no more snow piles.
Teamwork really works. Always! Snow mission complete. Remember, drive slowly in snow and stay safe. See you next time. Yay! Swimming day! Swimming day!
Everything looks safe.
Are they tight? Walk slowly. No running near the pool. Hold the rail, little bro.
Kick your legs softly, like this.
Look! I'm doing it! Here's a fun float for you. Here's a fun float for you. Whee! This is fun!
Relax and breathe, nice and slow.
I can do it too! This will help you float better. Look at me!
In through the nose, out through the mouth.
Bloop, bloop. Catch the rich, the ring, Kai. Got it. Jaya.
You're doing great.
I can pick them all. Tight turkey. Time for a quick break. Staying hydrated is important.
Try this fun pose.
I'm a starfish. Swimming is fun and safe together. Remember, swim safely and always with a buddy. Let's enjoy the park today. Oops, I'll pick it up later. Hey, litter is blowing away. We must catch it. Got it! There's more litter everywhere. Oh no! Did I make this mess? It's okay. Let's clean it together. Here. Let's start.
1, 2, 2, 3.
Clean and shiny. Nature looks prettier without trash. This feels good. Paper here. Plastic here. There. Much better. Clean spot for everyone. Let's throw these away. Ready? Ready? Goodbye, trash. Look! The park is beautiful again. Let's remind everyone. Plants need care too. Everything smells fresh. Cleaning together is fun. Let's protect our world by keeping it clean. It's Christmas Eve.
There we go, perfect.
Let's finish decorating. stars on the tree? Oops. Try holding it gently, just like this.
Oh, I can do that.
A present! Cookie time!
Hi.
Star shapes!
Rainbow cookies. Cookies.
All ready for Santa. All ready for Santa.
Cute snowman! Be patient. Cookies need a little time.
These lights will look amazing tonight.
A clean path keeps everyone safe.
It smells yummy. It smells yummy.
There, cozy and bright.
Merry Christmas. Christmas.
Cookies are ready, fresh and warm.
Let's relax together.
Stay warm, little pandas.
The tree is complete.
Merry Christmas.
See you next time. What a lovely morning for shopping. I'll pick up some fresh veggies.
I'll bring it back soon.
Oh no! Where did it go? Officer Pink! My bamboo basket is missing! Don't worry, I will help you find it. These are hooves. Someone big took it. I hope the basket is okay.
La la la. Perfect for noodle mixing.
Hello, Mr. Bull.
Officer! Look at my noodle dance!
That basket belongs to Panda Mom.
Oh! I thought someone left it.
Next time, please ask before borrowing. It's okay. I'm glad it's safe.
Thank you for understanding.
You can always ask us for help. Back where you belong.
Can I help with your shopping?
Teamwork makes everything easier. Let's go!
What a lovely day!
Case closed. Always ask before you borrow. Kindness makes every day better.
Let's buy fresh fruits today.
Fruit box. Perfect for my jungle party.
I'll bring it back later. The fruit box, it's gone.
Officer Black!
Someone took our fruit box.
Don't worry, I'll help you. A clue. Follow the banana peels.
Monkeys love bananas. Fruit Fiesta dance. Hello.
Hello, monkey.
Look. I made a music box.
That box belongs to Panda and Piglet.
Oh, I didn't know.
Next time, please ask before borrowing.
It's okay. It's safe. We're glad it's safe. Here you go. Oh.
Thank you for being honest.
Let's put the fruits back.
Can I help you sort them? Of course. Teamwork is great.
All done. So pretty.
Always ask before you borrow. Kindness makes everyone happy.
Case solved.
I win again. What's in there? Oh no! Wait for me! We're lost. Please help us.
Someone needs help. I'm on my way. panda footprints. Here. Let's follow them.
Let's follow them.
Look, look. The path is this way.
They'll find us, I'm sure.
I hear something that way.
Ow!
We're here. Over here. Here. You're okay now. We're with you.
This path is safe. Follow me.
Thank you, Miss Pink. You're welcome. Thank you, Officer Yellow. Look! The exit!
No scratches. Perfect.
Thank you, officers.
Next time, stay close to safe places. We're safe now. Always play in safe places and call for help when you need it.
Yay! It's ski day!
Everything looks ready.
Can I join the skiing too?
Let's have a safe and fun ski trip.
Let's go! I'm doing it! I can do it!
Ready for super skiing?
Wow! This is fast!
Like this. Like this. Slowly first. Stay in a straight line. Follow me.
Pulling. Wow! Shiny ice!
Rest time. Warm tea for everyone. So warm.
I'm getting better! I did it!
This is the best winter ever. Great teamwork, everyone.
Let's give him a scarf. Perfect.
Today's ski adventure is complete.
Winter fun is best when we enjoy it together.
What a perfect day to start decorating!
I brought the decorations.
Oops! Snow is slippery today.
Let's make the station sparkle.
Nice and neat. Perfect.
Snowflakes everywhere.
Jingle test. Working.
Up we go.
These are my favorite.
Around and around. Beautiful.
Lights on.
It's magical.
Cocoa break. Team.
So warm.
This is the best Christmas ever.
The cocoa makes it perfect.
One more thing. Presents. One more thing. Presents.
Found it.
Perfect spot. From our police family.
Team. Christmas success.
Snowy and cozy. Just right.
Merry Christmas. See you soon. Beautiful morning, right?
Perfect for a peaceful patrol.
Do you smell something smoky?
Ta-da!
Pink. I came as soon as I heard. Let's check it out carefully.
Stay close. We'll handle this together.
Everything looks fine so far. Someone was here earlier. They might have seen the smoke.
Looks like the animals are moving away from the smoke.
The smoke is coming from over there. Slow and steady.
Just dry leaves heating up. No fire.
Central Station, this is Officer Yellow. We found the cause.
Just overheating dry leaves. Requesting a light water spray for safety.
Let's clean up this area first.
Let's cool it down gently. There we go. The soil will keep it safe.
Right here. Thank you. Thank you. Just a gentle spray.
Great! Great! The smoke is gone!
The forest feels safe again.
Everything looks safe now.
Central Station, this is the forest team.
The smoke is fully under control. No danger detected. We're returning now.
Great teamwork today.
Always. Let's go home, team!
Stay safe, little forest.
Mission complete!
Mission!
Mission complete!
Always report smoke or danger. Safety first.
Another peaceful morning at the crossroad.
Good morning, Officer Black.
Hi, team! Ready for today's duty?
That didn't sound normal.
We've got a traffic jam.
Everyone's stuck. We need to organize the lanes.
What's that? Drivers, stay calm. We'll guide you. Left lane. Move forward, one by one.
Follow me. Step carefully.
Scooters, reverse gently. Now turn right. South lane, continue straight.
This bus is stuck in the wrong angle. Slowly, slowly, perfect. Now turn right.
Truck, follow my hand. Yes, right there. Nice! Traffic is moving again.
Thank you for your patience, everyone. Great job following the rules. Keep going safely.
This way. Follow me carefully. North clear, west clear, east clear, perfect.
Everything is running smoothly.
All lane drivers, thank you, drivers.
It's safe now.
Come with me.
We don't need these anymore. Everything looks clean and clear.
Teamwork really works. Always.
Mission.
Mission complete. Remember to follow traffic rules and stay patient. Safety first.